Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Kay English Channel, your friendly place to learn English through real, natural conversations. I'm Kay, and as always, I'm here with my friend Bunie.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunie. We're both Americans, and today we're going to help you speak English more confidently, step by step.
Today's topic is super fun and super useful. How to talk about art in English.
And don't worry, this lesson is not just for art experts. You don't need fancy vocabulary.
Exactly. You just need the right structure and simple phrases that native speakers actually use. By the end, you'll be able to describe a painting, a photo, a sculpture, or even a poster in your room, and you'll sound natural. Bunie, let me ask you something. When was the last time you looked at art and actually stopped?
Yesterday, I walked into a coffee shop and they had a small gallery wall. I was waiting for my drink and I started looking.
Nice. What kind of art was it?
Mostly photography, black and white street photos. People walking, rainy streets, little moments.
I love that kind of photography. It feels real.
Exactly. It was simple, but it had emotion.
For me, I saw a street artist last weekend. He was drawing quick portraits in pencil.
Oh, I love that. Did he draw you?
No, I chickened out. I was like, what if he makes me look weird?
Kay, artists don't make you look weird. Life makes you look weird.
That's honestly true. But that's also what art is about sometimes, showing real life. Before we jump into today's lesson, quick reminder, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video.
Subscribe to Mr.Kay English Channel.
And leave a comment to practice with us.
Comment this. I like blank art because blank. For example, I like modern art because it feels creative.
Or tell us, where are you watching from today? We love seeing your countries and cities. Here's the problem. Many English learners freeze when they talk about art.
Because they think, I don't know art vocabulary.
But native speakers don't always know art vocabulary either.
True, most people just say what they see, how they feel, and what it reminds them of.
So today, we'll teach you a simple routine, 8 steps, so you can talk about art in English smoothly.
And stay until the end because we'll do a long role play, museum conversation, street art conversation, and even showing your friend your favorite picture at home.
Let's do it. Step 1. Start with a simple opinion. Step 1. Start with a simple opinion. You can say, I really like this. This is interesting. This is not my style. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's beautiful. It's strange. It's kind of cool.
Simple opinions are powerful because they start the conversation.
Right. Let's practice. Imagine we're standing in front of a big painting with bright colors.
Okay, I'll go first. Wow, I really like this. It's so eye-catching.
Nice. I'll try, this is interesting. It feels energetic.
Perfect. And if you don't like it, you can still be polite.
Like, it's not my style, but I can see why people like it.
That's a great line. Respectful and natural.
Bunie, what if I truly don't understand it?
Then you can say, I don't really get it, but it's still interesting.
That sounds honest.
And it's normal. Art is not always easy to understand.
Step 2. Describe what you see. Basic description. Step 2. Describe what you see. Use phrases like, it shows, it's a picture of, it looks like, there's, there are, in the foreground, in the background.
Foreground means the front. Background means the back.
Great. Let's do an example. We're looking at a painting of a woman with an umbrella in a rainy city.
It shows a woman walking alone in the rain.
There are tall buildings in the background, and the street is wet.
In the foreground, you can see her umbrella and her coat.
Nice. Now let's do a different artwork, maybe a sculpture.
Okay, it looks like a human figure, but it's very abstract.
There are sharp angles, and the arms are long and thin.
See, you don't need special words, just describe what you see.
What if I don't know a word?
You can describe it with simple language, like, it's a thing that people use for, or it's shaped like.
That helps a lot. Step 3. Talk about colors, light, and style. Step 3. Colors, light, and style. These words are super useful. Colors: bright, dark, muted, pastel, warm, cool. Light: soft, dramatic, natural, glowing. Style: realistic, abstract, modern, classic, minimalist, detailed.
Let's explain 2 words quickly. Muted means not bright, soft and calm colors.
And pastel means light colors, like light pink, light blue, light green.
Okay, practice time. Imagine we're looking at a calm landscape painting.
The colors are warm and soft. The light looks natural, like sunset.
Nice. Now an abstract painting.
The colors are bright and bold. The style is abstract, and it feels chaotic.
Chaotic is a great word. It means not organized, like wild energy.
Sometimes art is chaotic, and that's the point.
Exactly.
Step 4. Describe mood and emotion. Step 4. Mood and emotion. This is where you sound advanced. You can say, it feels, it gives me a sense of, the mood is, it makes me feel.
Common moods: peaceful, sad, lonely, hopeful, mysterious, tense, cheerful, dreamy.
Let's do an example with a black and white photo of an empty street.
It feels lonely. The mood is quiet and a little sad.
It gives me a sense of mystery, like something happened here.
Nice. And you can also say it feels nostalgic.
Nostalgic, like thinking about the past.
Exactly, like childhood memories.
What about a bright, colorful painting of people dancing?
It feels cheerful and energetic. It makes me feel happy.
Easy but powerful.
Step 5. Make a personal connection.
Step 5. Personal connection. This makes your English more natural because now you're talking about your life. Useful phrases. It reminds me of. It makes me think of. I relate to this because. This feels familiar.
For example, if you see a painting of a kitchen at night, you can say,
It reminds me of my mom. She used to stay up late in the kitchen.
"That's beautiful."
Or if you see a photo of a crowded train,
It makes me think of my commute. It feels stressful but real.
exactly. Art is personal. There's no correct answer.
That's why talking about art is great for speaking practice. You can't be wrong.
Step 6. Compare and contrast. Step 6. Compare and contrast. This helps you speak longer and sound fluent. Phrases. It's similar to. It's different from. Compared to. It reminds me of.
Example: this painting is similar to street art, but it's more polished.
Or, compared to the other works in this room, this one feels calmer.
You can compare it to movies too.
Like, this looks like a scene from a sci-fi movie.
Exactly. Native speakers do that all the time.
Step 7. Mention technique. Simple.
Step 7. Technique. Don't panic, keep it simple. You can say, the brush strokes are soft, rough, visible. The details are sharp, subtle. The composition is balanced, crowded, clean. It looks hand-drawn. It looks digital.
If it's a photo, you can say, the focus is sharp. The background is blurry. The angle is interesting.
Great. Example. I like the brushstrokes. They feel soft and natural.
Or, the composition is simple, but it works.
It works is a very native phrase.
Step 8. Final summary plus recommendation.
Step 8. Close your opinion. overall, in general. To me, I'd recommend this to it's worth seeing in person.
Example. Overall, I think it's beautiful and calming. I'd recommend it to people who like quiet, emotional art.
Or, I didn't like it at first, but it grew on me. It grew on me means you like it more over time.
Long role play 1. At a museum. Full conversation.
Okay, roleplay time. We're at a museum.
Wow, look at this one.
What do you think?
Honestly, I really like it. It's simple, but it pulls me in.
Same. What does it show?
It shows a small house near the ocean, there's a tiny boat, and the sky looks cloudy.
I see that. The colors are mostly blue and gray.
Yeah, the colors are muted and the light feels soft. It looks like early morning.
What mood do you get from it?
It feels peaceful, but also lonely, like the house is far away from everything.
That's interesting. It gives me a sense of quiet isolation.
Exactly, and it reminds me of a trip I took a few years ago.
Really? Where?
I went to a small seaside town. It was quiet, and I would walk by the ocean every morning.
That sounds amazing. Compared to other paintings here, this one feels calmer.
Definitely. Some of the others are intense and dramatic. This one is like a deep breath.
What about the technique?
The brush strokes are visible, but not messy. The composition feels balanced.
So, overall?
Overall, I'd say it's calm and emotional. I'd recommend it to people who like peaceful art.
Great. You sounded fluent.
Long role play 2. Talking about street art.
Oh, wow. Look at that mural.
Oh, wow, look at that mural.
That's huge. What do you think?
It's so bold. I love the colors. It's really eye-catching.
What does it show?
It shows a woman's face, but half of her face is made of flowers, and the background is full of bright patterns.
The style feels modern, kind of like graffiti, but more detailed.
Yeah, and the mood feels powerful, like confidence.
It makes me feel energized, like I want to create something.
Same. And honestly, it reminds me of a music festival poster.
True, it has that vibe. Compared to the old buildings around it, it stands out even more.
Exactly. It changes the whole atmosphere of the street.
That's the cool thing about street art. It's free and everyone can enjoy it.
But sometimes people argue, is it art or vandalism?
Good question. I think it depends. If it's done with permission, it feels like public art.
And when it's meaningful, it can make people feel something.
Long role play 3. Showing art at home. Photo, poster, painting.
Okay, last role play. Bunie invites me to her apartment.
Welcome to my place.
It's so cozy. I like your living room.
Thanks. Oh, and I want to show you something. This is one of my favorite pieces.
The one on the wall?
Yeah, it's a print, not an original painting, but I love it.
What is it?
It's a picture of a train station at night. There are only a few people and the lights are glowing.
The colors are beautiful. Warm yellows and deep blues.
Exactly. The lighting feels dramatic, almost cinematic.
The mood feels kind of lonely, but also romantic.
That's why I love it. It reminds me of traveling alone when I was younger.
I get that. It makes me think of those moments when you're waiting for a train and you feel like you're in a movie.
Yes, and compared to other prints, this one feels more emotional.
Did you buy it online?
I did. I saw it and I couldn't stop thinking about it. It grew on me.
That's a real connection. It's not just decoration, it means something.
Exactly. Art can change the feeling of a room.
Great job. Let's recap our 8 steps.
Simple opinion. Describe what you see. Colors, light, style. Mood and emotion. Personal connection. Compare and contrast. Technique, simple. Overall summary plus recommendation.
If you practice this routine, you'll never feel stuck when talking about art again. Now, comment below to practice English. What kind of art do you like and why?
And if you can, describe one artwork you remember using one sentence. It shows, it feels, it reminds me of.
Thanks for watching Mr. Kay English Channel.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice in the comments.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning English every day.